What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Look at here, boys. Up to that. RZTL. Running on one cylinder. Bam! Wonder why. Look at that shit. You think maybe it overheated? This one ain't too far from it. Damn. Huh? Ooh. I did pull the valve cover though. Push rods are not bent. Not sure what's going on, but it ain't firing. That plug looks brand new. I think it's just not getting fuel, which is nice, because then it possibly did not overheat. And the reason why all this shit is built up right here, because it had an oil leak. Oil filter was loose. Yeah. It blows shit everywhere. Anyways, like I said, you beautiful people.